economic, social, and cultural background of a country, mostly underdeveloped countries. And you can see that the AKDN has initiated many projects and services under the industries. You can see here the Aga Khan University comes under the social development project of this AKDN. So there it is. Our values. There are four values, and the acronym is ICRA. That means per. I'll start from the last. That is access. That our programs is offer students an open merit selection, and that is why we give access to almost everybody who applies to us. यानी खुद अपने पैरों पे चलकर आएगा और performance उनकी बेहतर होगी. So that person will inshallah get in. The relevance matter a lot because all the study, all the research work is relevant to the specific country where we teach the programs. We do not compromise on quality at all, and then all the people who are associated with our university, either as a faculty or a student, they are the change agents of the country, and that is how we make our impact in the society. This is our admission policy. We believe and we follow an open merit admission process. There is no preference of any kind. There is no reserve seats. There is no foreign, local, or provincial quotas. There is no admission against donation. So it's the same thing. अगर अपने पैरों पे चलकर आओगे and you have that potential in you और जो आपकी performance बेहतर होगी through evaluation process, you will inshallah get in. What does AK look in a candidate? Usually, when students try to assess their options, they look for the options in the university which provides all kind of services कि facilities हैं या नहीं हैं. Does the university is inexpensive? There are many other factors that the student looks for in a university, and so does the university look in a candidate as well. So we also choose our candidate for selection in a way that they are holistic and balanced individuals, and they are involved in a leadership activities or any activity that has, we just don't want a student who is just a bookworm, सिर्फ किताब के अलावा उसने कुछ किया ही ना हो. It's better that they are either all rounders. If not, then उन्होंने कुछ different किया हो in their schools apart from studies. It can be anything, be it debates, be it sports. You don't need to be a captain in that, but you need to have those kind of activities and skills inculcated in you ताकि आपका जो है वो you become an all-rounder person or a balanced individual. So undergraduate programs that we offer at AKU are in the medical college side, there is MBBS. This is a 5-year program. There is Associate of Science degree in dental hygiene. This is a 2-year associate degree. And then we have a BSCN. This is a nursing degree of 4 years. So let's just go into the detail to know which program has what kind of eligibility and the features. So let's start with BSCN. This is a 4-year program, as I said before. Students who are in the age between 14 till 35 can apply for this program. The features involve and includes that you can actually get sponsorship where you can study free for 4 years, and in return you just need to give your services to Aga Khan University for the next 4 years, and for that you also get the salary which usually other nurses are getting. We have financial assistance program for students who cannot afford the fee for the BSCN program. Once you get in this program, you can get scholarship, merit scholarship from second year on the basis of the performance of you in the class. And once you complete this degree, you will get a guaranteed job because our students and our graduates who have been graduated from BSCN, they usually get jobs in AKU because nurses is like this profession is something that it never goes out of business. So you have that opportunity that whether at AKU or in any hospital, you get a job in Pakistan. So the eligibility requirements, if you are from an intermediate background, you must have 50% in your intermediate with the pre-medical background. If you are in A levels, then you should have 50% in your equivalence. After 4 years of this program, you will have to go with 1 year internship at AKU, because this is a PNC, Pakistan Nursing Council requirement to get a practicing license. This is another program, Associate of Science degree in dental hygiene. This is fairly a new, an emerging concept in Pakistan. You don't see much dental hygienist in Pakistan, but although other universities have started to offer this program, this is basically a program that does and study, teach you everything related to dentistry, but it is one step short of the dentistry, which is BDS, that involves surgery. The dental hygiene program does not involve surgery. It is all about awareness, giving an awareness to general public regarding the oral hygiene and the diseases that are related in the body if you do not care about your oral. And you know what? Uh, it will be very surprising to know that 80% and above population do not even know how to brush their teeth. So oral hygiene is important, and that is why this program is very interesting and is gaining much attention lately uh, in Pakistan. This is a 2 year program. We provide financial assistance in this. In second year, this is a 2 year program. In second year, you will get clinical exposure. We have sim labs, simulation labs, where you can practice. You can see these mannequins that are actually they work with, and then in second year you will get chance to interact with actual patients and learn. So kind of a blended learning program where teachers and faculties are not in only in person in Pakistan, but they are from Canada and outside world as well, where dental hygienist as a profession is very much common. The eligibility is the same, that you should have at least 50% in your intermediate pre-medical. If you are doing A levels, then you should have 50% in equivalence with a pre-medical group. This is MBBS program. This is a 5 year MBBS program, which upon completion you become a doctor. And the feature involves and includes five. We give 5 fully funded scholarships at the time of selection to students. And the word renewable you will see over here is because this is a fully funded scholarship for 5 years, but you have to maintain your performance in at least 15% of the students in the class, so that you get the scholarship, the same scholarship every year. So let's say if you aren't able to maintain your performance in the top 15% of the class, you will you the scholarship will not be provided to you for that year. But obviously if you get into the same group in the next year, then the scholarship will be renewed to you. We have a financial assistance program that for which you can apply upon selection. We have scholarships of meritorious academic performance. From third year you get a monetary reward in third year, and those students who get scholarship in fourth and fifth year, their financial assistance is reduced. The eligibility requirement is to have at least 70% in pre-medical group if you are doing intermediate. If you are from an O and A level background, then the requirements are that you should have at least 6 subjects in O levels. English, biology, chemistry, and physics are the compulsory ones, and you can have any other 2 subjects. There is no compulsion of those subjects. कौन से होने चाहिए? It can be any. For A levels, you should have biology, chemistry, physics with minimum B grade in these subjects. Upon selection, we will ask you about your IBCC equivalence that has to be made in a pre-medical group. And if there is any PMDC or PMC additional regulations that say that you have to give a national MD CAT or any other test, then you have to give that as well, because then our students are registered with the regulatory body, and that is where all the requirements that are needed by the regulatory body has to be fulfilled as well. So the admission process, each year our applications open up in the month of March. You can apply to us in March. We have an online process. You don't need to come to our window for that. After that, we have an AKU test, for which I'll tell you how you can prepare for the test and the components that are included in the test. If you pass the test, you will be shortlisted for interviews. There will be interviews, and if you are applying specifically for MBBS, then there is a stage 2 form that says that you need to provide anything apart from studies that you have done. Let's say your scholarships, you have received any awards that you have received, your extracurricular activities, reference letters from the teachers of previous schools. All of these elements do matter in the admission process. And then the final selection is decided by October or November, and the classes begin in December. So what this is what I just told you, that our application process starts in March. We haven't decided about the admission test date yet, so this will be updated on our website. We have 11 centers across Pakistan. So it's not just about Karachi. Students who are in other province can write the test, whatever center is nearer to them, and then the classes will start in December. This is the details related to the admission test. If you're applying for MBBS program, the test is of either 2 hours or 2.5 hours. That is decided nearer the time, but the components remain the same. That is science achievement, has biology, chemistry, and physics subjects. All the syllabus is available on our website with the name of curriculum. You can just go through that and prepare yourself for the test. There is science reasoning component, which is a mixture of biology, chemistry, and physics questions. This is mainly application to knowledge questions and practical questions. And then you have mathematical reasoning, or you can also say this as analytical reasoning questions, for which you can practice on Google. These are like 9-10 grade questions which easily students can answer if they have practiced enough. For ASDH and BSCN, we also have an English paper for 1 hour. We have science achievement, biology, chemistry, physics uh, component, and a math reasoning component for, and the paper is of 2 hours, the science achievement and math component. So the interviews, if you pass the test, you will be invited for interviews. In MBBS and ASDH programs, there are two individual interviews, mostly for 30 minutes, maybe more. And then for BSc, and there is a panel interview. There will be two interviewers in the panel, and you will be there for the interview. So the purpose of these interviews is to assess you, your thought process, your why you are interested in the program. Elements like that will be assessed through the interviews. So it's not, there will be nothing that is related to ke Pakistan ka president kaun hai, prime minister kaun hai. Nothing related to general knowledge at all. There will be nothing related to your science studies, like that. But obviously you should have some, somewhat information about the social issues that is prevailing in the country, because obviously that makes you, relevant to you can relate to your country as well. So the interviewer may ask you questions like these, just to know how much, you are aware of yourself and the surroundings in which you are. The interviews are only one of the components. So usually students, when they appear for the interviews, they ask us कि मैंने इंटरव्यू दे दिया है तो अब मेरा सिलेक्शन हो जाएगा क्या, क्योंकि जो इंटरव्यूअर्स थे वो तो बड़ा स्माइल करके बात कर रहे थे, दे वर वेरी हैप्पी विद मी. So we usually tell them that this is just one component of the assessment and for the process of admission. But then you should have submitted you probably will submit your reference letters, your extracurricular activities, and there are other elements that also matter for to make you in the final selection list. The fee and financial assistance. Our fee structure for all these undergraduate programs are available on our website. It's not necessary that you have to pay everything. I mean, all the year's fee has to be paid in a lump sum amount. No, you can pay it on monthly installment basis. If you want to have a plan with the finance office, you can also have a plan. You can pay quarterly, semi-annually. It's on the convenience of the students. I've already told you about the financial assistance program, that students who cannot afford the fee can apply for financial assistance upon selection. The financial assistance program actually is a program where you get financial assistance for a year and then you reapply next year, so that the university reassesses your socioeconomic background and decides how much financial assistance can be given to you. These financial assistance are interest free loan and a grant in aid. The amount of grant in aid doesn't have to be paid back, it's a gift from the university, but the loan has to be paid back after immediately after graduation if you are in ASDH, or after 1 year of graduation if you are in BSCN. If you are applying for MBBS, then the financial assistance has to be paid after 2 years of graduation and in installments. वी वोंट आस्क यू कि फॉरन आपने जितना 5 साल में पढ़ा या 4 साल में पढ़ा आप हमें दे दें, वापस कर दें. दिस विल नॉट बी लाइक दैट. वी विल प्रोवाइड यू अ प्लान ऑफ इंस्टॉलमेंट्स कि आप उसको किस तरह से हमें रीपे करें, विच इज एक्चुअली बड़ा प्रैक्टिकल हमारी इसमें अप्रोच है, सो दैट स्टूडेंट्स के ऊपर कोई बर्डन ना आए एंड दे जब अपने पैरों पे खड़ा हो जाए, द पर्सन स्टार्ट्स अर्निंग लाइवलीहुड, देन दे कैन रिटर्न द फी टू अस. Those students who are those graduates who become part of the university either to study or to work gets 50% waiver in our financial assistance. तो जिस साल आप हमारे ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में काम करेंगे आफ्टर ग्रेजुएशन, और अगर आपका कोई लोन रीपे के लिए पेंडिंग होगा, उसमें आपको वेव ऑफ मिलेगा 50% या जितना भी उस साल की पॉलिसी के मुताबिक जो वो परसेंटेज देते होंगे वो आपको उतना वेव ऑफ हो जाएगा. Our facilities, I'm just about to end the presentation so that we can do a question answer session. So we have a cricket field, a gymnasium, a swimming pool. This is an Olympic size swimming pool. We have a fitness center, so you can do all the gymming and everything. The university has a lot of venues where you just not need to only be involved in the studies, but you can actually be participating yourself in a lot of different activities. We have societies of several kinds. Falah and Behbood are the ones जो कि usually students को outside of AKU पता होती हैं. But there are many other societies in which students can participate, or they can actually found, you can also found in society अगर आपको ऐसा लगता है कि वो बहुत ही important है in the process. We have cafeteria, you don't need to go out. It's just like it's a small world inside Pakistan, inside Karachi actually. So you don't need to go out for anything. Bank hai, hostels have people coming from outstations. Campus shuttle hai. You don't need to worry about कि इतना लंबा कौन चलता है, because the university is quite big. So there are many other facilities. So this is way above time actually, ahead of time कि हम अपनी presentation इस वक्त दे रहे हैं, but usually students contact us in the month of March for updated information timelines, because the policies or requirements may change in the meantime. So we always welcome students to contact us, whether through call or email us. And these are the numbers. I think if you can take a screenshot from your mobile, it would be best so that you can contact us later. So Binish, I'm done with the presentation and it's over to you.
And I have a lot of questions for you. You always do. So, okay, so first things first, what kind of students does AKU look for in general, specifically for MBBS? The profile that it's looking for.
Profile, I'll say the same thing again, that student के पास जरूरी नहीं है कि आपके पास बहुत बड़ी achievements हो, people try to show off their achievements के मैं जो हूँ मुझे इतने awards मिल गए हैं. We don't look for that, but a student should be involved in other activities. अगर वो घर में सिर्फ tuition भी दे रहा है as a part of preparing himself कि वो अपना studies के अलावा अपने घर में कुछ contribute करे, even that comes into in the assessment के हाँ कुछ बच्चा वो कर रहा है. So same goes for अगर school में आपकी opportunities है, I'm sure city school is a school where you have a lot of opportunities available there. So obviously the student has to participate in some of those activities to ensure that उसने अपना वो duration, चाहे वो 2 साल पढ़ रहा है आपके पास, चाहे वो 4 साल पढ़ रहा है आपके पास, कि उसने अपना duration सिर्फ किताब में नहीं जाया किया, उसके साथ साथ उसके पास एक्स्ट्रा करिकुलर एक्टिविटीज भी हैं, द अपॉर्चुनिटीज विच यू प्रोवाइड, वो सारी अपॉर्चुनिटीज या कुछ अपॉर्चुनिटीज उन्होंने की हों.
Okay. And what is the minimum grade that you say that this our student should actually gain at least this minimum grade in A levels and O levels? इससे नीचे हम नहीं
So
जाएंगे.
we do, हाँ, right. So O level में we don't look for grades. आप you have passed the paper, आपके पास 6 subjects हों जो मैंने बताए, that's enough. For A levels आपके पास minimum B grade हो. You should have B for butterfly, B grade in biology, chemistry, and physics. And I usually get this question a lot that B grade है तो क्या admission होगा कि नहीं होगा, rank order क्या होगा. So we are providing this qualification or academic eligibility requirement as a qualifying bar. Students who are achieving a B grade has the same percent of chance as a student who is getting A or A star. So it's because it's a qualifying bar. If a student has got B grade, that's fine. That person can apply to us.
Okay. So, okay, the biggest tiebreaker to get into AKU is the interview. Could you give us some tips? How should a student prepare for it?
Okay, so the biggest tiebreaker I would say is not the interview. Is the first thing is actually the Aga Khan University's test.
Obviously.
Because if you don't pass the test, you will not be invited to interviews, right? So the type, because see, if I'm talking about this year, we had a record breaking applications. We had more than 5,000 applications for MBBS, and we just have 100 seats. So if you see 100 seats for students applying, from around the world, 5,000 students applying is a big deal. So if you pass the test, that's actually a big deal, because then the students who pass the test is about 8 to 10%. हमने इस साल तकरीबन 326 students को shortlist किया from the test, from passing the test, and then they are invited to interviews. So it's a big deal if they become part. And Binish, regarding your question about the interviews में usually वो आपसे कोई फलाई बातें नहीं पूछते हैं. It's just about you. It's the personal thing जो मैं आपसे पूछूंगी कि आपका नाम क्या है, why you are interested in the program, what is your thought process. अगर मैं आपसे in person इस वक्त बात कर रही हूँ, there is nothing to be afraid of. If you are, if you are being true to yourself and to the interviewer, I think you will make it through.
Okay, so like you just mentioned that you have 100 seats and you've got 377 applications approved. This means you're actually going to reject 177 applications?
More than that, yeah.
More than that. So is the interview that time where you decide to cut off more?
No, interview is not the time where we decide to cut off more. It is, so see, let's say if this year we had shortlisted 326 applications, they become part of the interviews. Then we ask them to submit their stage 2 form where your whole performer or whole portfolio will be shown, and reference letters will also be asked there. All of these will be evaluated for final selection. And it's not just that we cut them in the middle of the process. Once all the interviews are done, once the stage 2 form is received, then the admission committee sits, review every application, blindly review all these applications. आपका नाम नहीं बताते, आपके स्कूल के नाम नहीं बताते, बट आपने जो किया है, things like that, जो आपके परफॉर्मेंस रही है, वो सारी चीजें जो आपने पोर्टफोलियो दिया, all of those are reviewed and then final selection.
Okay. As far as I remember, I think you guys need around 2 reference letters.
Yes.
You prefer it from the teachers, or do you prefer it from maybe the activity coordinators or their head? Who would you prefer giving their reference letters?
Okay, so they can ask reference letter from any teacher or a coordinator जिनके साथ उनका interaction हुआ है. अगर उनका interaction for sports हुआ है and teacher or the coordinator knows that person, that's fine, वो दे सकते हैं reference. अगर वो चाहें तो किसी specific subject teacher से भी लेके reference letter दे सकते हैं. जहाँ interaction हुआ है, that matters. Because अगर let's suppose करें, if I am a student, if I've never come to you for the past 4 years and you write a reference letter to me, it won't be any good for me, right? Because आप तो मुझे जानते ही नहीं, आप तो सिर्फ मेरा नाम जानते हैं. Like that, yeah.
Okay, and now tell me the life of a student, a first year. No, before that, there's one more question. Um, does it matter that if a student is from A-level background or if a student is from FSC background?
No, it does not matter.
So you deal with them very neutrally and equally.
Yes, actually. So see, the answer will be again the same, that your FSC and your A level will be considered as a qualifying bar. ठीक है, जो हमारी रिक्वायरमेंट है वो आपको मीट करनी है. उसके बाद हर बच्चा एक ही टेस्ट में बैठ रहा है, एक ही सेंटर में बैठ रहा है. देर इज नो डिफरेंस. अगर आप ये देखा जाए इस तरह से, अगर आप इस तरह से देखें, सो देर इज नो प्रेफरेंस. बट यस, ये जरूर है कि अब अगर कोई इंटर का बच्चा है, उसके पास कोई अपॉर्चुनिटीज ही नहीं है, दैट मे मेक समथिंग कि उसके पास अपॉर्चुनिटीज नहीं है लेकिन वो फिर भी कुछ ना कुछ करके अपने आप को इन्वॉल्व कर रहा है दूसरी एक्टिविटीज में, दैट मेक्स यू नो अ पार्ट ऑफ दैट एप्लीकेशन के हाँ वो कुछ कर रहा है. सेम गोज फॉर स्कूल्स जहाँ पे अपॉर्चुनिटीज बहुत प्रोवाइड हो रही हैं और वहां कोई स्टूडेंट नहीं कर पा रहा कुछ, तो देन यू सी कि देर वैसे तो देर इज नो देर इज नो असेसमेंट या व्हाट वी कॉल इट, देर इज नो कंपैरिजन जिससे जो है वो हम ये देख सकें कि क्या प्रेफरेंस है. बट इट्स जस्ट द इंडिविजुअल स्टूडेंट हिमसेल्फ और हरसेल्फ जिसका पूरा पोर्टफोलियो मैटर करता है.
Right. Okay. Now, being that said, now tell me, where should the students prepare from when it comes to Akhan entry test?
Okay, so we have our syllabus with the name of curriculum on the website available. उसमें biology, chemistry, physics के सारे topics हैं, even with the difficulty level. उनको ऐसा लगता है कि उनके A level के syllabus में cover नहीं हो रहे, वो चाहे तो गूगल कर सकते हैं, वो चाहे तो किसी और बुक से पढ़ सकते हैं. नॉट नेसेसरीली दैट यू हैव टू गो टू अ बोर्ड बुक और उसमें से आपको पढ़ना लाजमी है, क्योंकि अगर आप वो सिलेबस करिकुलम खोल के देखेंगे उसमें आपको टॉपिक बाय टॉपिक जो है ना वो इवन द डिफिकल्टी लेवल भी बताया है, द अंडरस्टैंडिंग है या नॉलेज है या एप्लीकेबिलिटी टू नॉलेज है, ये सारी चीजें बताई हैं. तो स्टूडेंट कैन एक्चुअली, सब्जेक्ट मैटर रिमेन्स द सेम, राइट. पानी पानी है, पानी की क्वालिटीज और कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स वही रहेंगी फ्रॉम वेर एवर विच एवर बुक यू नो try to read and plan. But ये है कि test is conceptual based paper, so students who are actually familiarized themselves with those n-1 का जो हमारा options का formula होता है कि question दिया हुआ है, you just need to understand the stem और उसके options को आप जो है वो बहुत easily देख के दे सकते हैं जवाब. You just need to, if you are that from that kind of a background, it's easier for you to answer those questions. और ऑब्वियसली आपकी कॉन्सेप्चुअल बैकग्राउंड की प्रिपरेशन तो अपनी होनी चाहिए. फॉर मैथमेटिक्स इट्स 9-10 ग्रेड का स्टूडेंट आराम से कर सकता है. तो आप चाहें तो आप मैथमेटिकल रिडल्स देख सकते हैं गूगल पे, या चाहे आप 9-10 की बुक पढ़ सकते हैं, या चाहे आपने ओ लेवल में अगर मैथमेटिक्स पढ़ा है तो आप वो उठा के पढ़ सकते हैं.
So basically, you guys, she mentioned something very clear, that you don't need to run after FSC books to study. You can actually use your own books, and if one of the topic is not there, you can Google it. Google Zindabad.
Yeah,
Exactly.
बिल्कुल.
Now, one more question: is it necessary for an A-level student to have maths at all costs? Well, can they just go with physics, chemistry, and bio only?
For A levels?
Yeah.
Yes. हम तो मैथमेटिक्स देखेंगे ही नहीं ना आपका. देखिए, रिक्वायरमेंट है फॉर इवन द रेगुलेटरी बॉडी सेज कि आपके पास बायोलॉजी, केमिस्ट्री और फिजिक्स होना चाहिए. इसके अलावा अगर आपका कोई चौथा सब्जेक्ट है, पांचवा सब्जेक्ट है, तो इज ऑन यू. हमारी रिक्वायरमेंट तो बी ग्रेड है बायोलॉजी, केमिस्ट्री, फिजिक्स की, बस उतना होना चाहिए.
Okay, that's something, because students, there have been a lot of myths around it, so it's better that I just ask you all the questions that are coming up to me. So because there's a big audience, a wide audience looking at you guys. Now, something that you discussed was regarding scholarship and financial aid. I want you to just repeat it, just brush it off again, because it's a huge concern. A good majority of students doesn't apply to Akhan concerned that they won't be able to pay it off. Now, Akhan has really strong plans. And I also want to know what is the percentage of students that you allow this plan to. So could you just brush it up again, please?
Okay, so financial assistance is actually a program that has been put in place by the university, जो कहता है कि आप एडमिशन लेने के बाद you can apply for this. So हम आपसे पहले कुछ भी नहीं पूछेंगे about your financial background at all. आप अप्लाई करेंगे when you get selected in the program, उसके बाद यूनिवर्सिटी एंड इफ यू से कि मैं अफोर्ड नहीं कर सकता, तो आपसे हम फिर आपके इनकम एंड एक्सपेंसेस के डॉक्यूमेंट्स एक फॉर्म पे मांगते हैं. द फाइनेंशियल असिस्टेंस फॉर्म इज अवेलेबल ऑन द वेबसाइट फॉर द न्यू स्टूडेंट्स. यू कैन गो थ्रू इट एंड देख सकते हो कि कौन कौन से डॉक्यूमेंट्स दे आस्क फॉर इट. दिस इज अ सेपरेट एंटिटी जो कि जिसकी कमेटी बैठ के डिसाइड करती है. है कि हाउ मच फाइनेंशियल असिस्टेंस अ स्टूडेंट शुड गेट. ठीक है, इसका बिल्कुल भी ताल्लुक एकेडमिक परफॉर्मेंस से नहीं है. ठीक है, स्टूडेंट्स हु गेट इन एडमिशन हो जाता है उनका और वो फाइनेंशियल असिस्टेंस लेते हैं, वो आप आफ्टर 7 years इफ यू आर अप्लाइंग फॉर एमबीबीएस प्रोग्राम आप रीपे करते हैं इन इंस्टॉलमेंट्स. अब बीनिश, इफ आई एम टॉकिंग टू यू, मैं आपको आई कैन नॉट राइट नाउ एंटिसिपेट और टेल यू कि आपको कितना परसेंट फाइनेंशियल असिस्टेंस मिलेगा, क्योंकि इस वक्त तो मैं आपको देख के आपका कुछ बैकग्राउंड नहीं बता सकती, राइट. सो स्टूडेंट्स यूजुअली आस्क अस कि आपको मुझे कितना परसेंट मिल जाएगा, 70% मिल जाएगा, 100% मिल जाएगा, एंड देन वी से कि वी कांट टेल यू राइट नाउ, क्योंकि हमारे पास अगर 5,000 बच्चा अप्लाई करते हैं और हम एट द टाइम ऑफ एप्लीकेशन सबको बता देंगे कि मतलब इट्स नॉट प्रैक्टिकल फॉर अस, right? So you
need to
apply
have
for
a
financial
financial to back
assistance.
up the percentage of relaxation that you get, basically.
Exactly. Yeah.
Okay.
So वो आपको कमेटी डिसाइड करके आपके जो डॉक्यूमेंट्स विच वट एवर एविडेंस यू सबमिट, उस बेसिस पे कमेटी डिसाइड्स एंड टेल यू कि आपको, लेट सपोज आपको 50% मिलेगा फाइनेंशियल असिस्टेंस में लोन, एंड आपको 10% ग्रांट इन एड मिलेगा. दिस इज जस्ट आई एम गिविंग एन सपोजिटली एग्जाम्पल. इसको ये नहीं समझना कि यही मिलता है. सो ये अगर आपको मिलता है तो आपका 10% तो ग्रांट इन एड है, वो आपको रीपे नहीं करना, बट जो आपका बाकी 50% का लोन है, यू कैन रीपे इट आफ्टर 7 years.
This is so nice. Malab, this gives you a gap and confidence that in 7 years time, obviously you will be doing something for yourself.
Exactly. और ये सारे प्रोफेशंस, टू बी ऑनेस्ट, मैं बहुत ही ज्यादा बहुत लेमैन वाली बात कहूंगी, बट देर आर लाइक टू सेक्टर्स दैट नेवर गो आउट ऑफ बिजनेस. एक हेल्थ केयर है और दूसरा एजुकेशन है. सो इफ यू आर अ नर्स, इफ यू आर अ डॉक्टर, इफ यू आर अ डेंटल हाइजीनिस्ट, आप भूखे नहीं मरेंगे चाहे आप कुछ भी हो. इवन इफ देर इज अ कोविड हियर, बहुत सारे लोगों की जॉब जा रही है, बट नर्सेज एंड डॉक्टर्स आर इन एक्शन and they are getting paid a lot because of their services. They are our heroes. So this is what it is कि आपको livelihood तो मिलता रहेगा. एंड फाइनेंशियल असिस्टेंस में मैं एक और बात कहना चाहूंगी कि आपको यू हैव टू रीअप्लाई एवरी ईयर फॉर दिस, क्योंकि होता ये है कि मोस्टली लेट्स सपोज करें फर्स्ट ईयर में कोई स्टूडेंट फाइनेंशियल असिस्टेंस के लिए अप्लाई नहीं करता है क्योंकि ही इज अ वेल ऑफ पर्सन, वो पे कर सकता है. नेक्स्ट ईयर में अल्लाह ना करे उसके साथ कोई ऐसी कंडीशन होती है कि वो ही कुडंट पे, देयर कैन बी एनी रीजन, राइट. तो हम अपॉर्चुनिटी देते हैं स्टूडेंट को कि वो नेक्स्ट ईयर में हमें रीअप्लाई कर सकता है फॉर फाइनेंशियल असिस्टेंस. एंड सेम गोज फॉर अ पर्सन जिसने फर्स्ट ईयर में फाइनेंशियल असिस्टेंस ली होती है, वो नेक्स्ट ईयर दोबारा कर सकता है अप्लाई, करता है एक्चुअली अप्लाई, ताकि कमेटी रीअसेस करे उनकी सिचुएशन. हो सकता है दैट वैसे दिस इज अ वेरी सिली थिंग दैट आई एम सेइंग, बट हो सकता है कि आपको इनहेरिटेंस में कुछ ज्यादा अच्छा थोड़े बहुत इनहेरिटेंस में आपको पैसे मिले. सो दैट कैन बी यूटिलाइज्ड एंड वील सी कि क्या डिजर्विंग स्टूडेंट है कि उसके पास वो, इफ द पर्सन हु इज एक्चुअली अप्लाइंग फॉर फाइनेंशियल असिस्टेंस, क्या वो वाकई डिजर्व करता है. एंड एवरी ईयर योर कंडीशन चेंजेस, इट डजंट रिमेन द सेम.
Thank you.
Yeah, thank you very much. I have been listening to you. My name is Abbas Khan. I'm a career counselor from Hyderabad campus. I have got a question against this backdrop. Does MBBS from Aga Khan have an international edge abroad?
What do you mean by international edge?
Means in terms of degree recognition, a degree from MBBS from Aga Khan, what would that be considered as an undergraduate, or does it have any additional or valued component there? Like one moves abroad, UK or US, and he has got possession with this Aga Khan MBBS university degree. So, what additional benefit, advantage in terms of hospital services and other facilities?
देखिए, एज पर माई इंफॉर्मेशन, जो AKU की MBBS डिग्री है, दिस इज इंटरनेशनली रिकग्नाइज डिग्री. सो नो वन वुड से कि आप किसी कंट्री में ब्लैक लिस्ट हो गए हैं बिकॉज आपका नहीं चल सकती है डिग्री, एज अ डॉक्टर ये नहीं चल सकता, ऐसा नहीं होगा, बिकॉज दिस इज an इंटरनेशनली रिकग्नाइज डिग्री. बट वेर इट कम्स टू प्रोवाइडिंग एनी अदर सर्विस या कुछ ऐसा है कि वो वहां जाके उनका लेवल क्या होगा, दैट ऑब्वियसली हैज टू बी डन बाय HEC. HEC जो है वो चीजें देखता है, बताता है, एंड ऑब्वियसली दिस इज अ पाकिस्तानी बॉडी जो ये सारी चीजें बताती है. ऑल इन ऑल, हमारी जो AKU की डिग्री है, दिस इज एन इंटरनेशनली रिकग्नाइज्ड डिग्री. अगर इफ द क्वेश्चन इज रिलेटेड कि वो स्टूडेंट बाहर जा रहा है, चाहे वो USA है, कनाडा है, और वहां वो अप्लाई करता है फॉर प्लेसमेंट्स और रेजिडेंसी और एनी अदर क्लिनिकल एक्सपर्टीज उसको चाहिए होगी, तो क्या वो वहां प्रैक्टिस कर सकेगा या नहीं? सो दैट्स अ क्वेश्चन कि उस कंट्री की रेगुलेशंस क्या हैं. If there is a licensing examination body in that country, आपको उसका पेपर लाजमन देना पड़ेगा. सेम गोज फॉर हियर. पाकिस्तान में कोई आके कहीं और से अप्लाई करता है, that person has to go through our licensing examination to get into the system. I hope my answer is clear.
Very
Yes,
clear.
it is.
Very clear. Okay, one last thing. We are very fond of your internship program. So I want to know what is your selection criteria. Every year I am after your internship in charge. I'm sure he remembers my name now. So can you tell our students the importance of that internship program? I know it has nothing to do with the admission process, but it is an edge. And I believe that students should gain that experience that comes every summer vacations. So I want to know, will you be holding it this coming summer vacations?
See, I cannot respond to you this because internship हम नहीं कराते. This is a registrar's office. Degree programs है जहाँ पे internship deal नहीं होते. This is completely separate entity. Where it comes to saying कि कोई edge है, तो कोई एज एज सच होती नहीं है कि आप AKU से करें या आप कहीं और से इंटर्नशिप करें. हॉस्पिटल इज अ हॉस्पिटल, यू कैन गेट द सेम एक्सपीरियंस. आपको क्लिनिकल साइड का एक्सपीरियंस चाहिए, डॉक्टर को शेडो करना है, यू कैन गो टू एनी यूनिवर्सिटी और हॉस्पिटल जहाँ पे ये फैसिलिटीज प्रोवाइड होती हैं, तो आप वहां से कर सकते हैं. एज फार एज AKU, आई डोंट थिंक वो इस साल उन्होंने इंटर्नशिप ऑफर की है. आई हाईली डाउट बिकॉज ऑफ द कोविड
No,
सर्ज.
they didn't. They had a focused group arrangement, and 3-4 of my students were a part of it, and they were quite excited because it was all virtual, something very new for them, sitting home and doing that forum. So that was a great experience. So I always look forward to what's AKU up to next, and I want my kids coming in. So that's why I was trying to make that link with you now.
Yeah. So Binish, if it's about internship, then link will be the same person जिनसे आपसे पहले बात हुई है. Because
Okay,
हमारा
thank
ऐसे जिससे कोई interaction नहीं है.
Okay, and based on the current situation of COVID and SOPs, how do you think has it affected your current batch of students who have already joined AKU? I know your session is still to start, maybe? Has it started?
लास्ट ईयर का तो स्टार्ट हो चुका है. जनवरी से ही स्टार्ट हो गया था लास्ट ईयर का. या नॉट दिस ईयर, क्योंकि वो अभी दिसंबर, अभी तो आपका MD कैट रहता है ना. MD कैट होगा, फाइनल सिलेक्शन हमारा आफ्टर मिड दिसंबर होगा, एंड होपफुली क्लासेस विल स्टार्ट इन जनवरी. बट लास्ट ईयर का ये हाइब्रिड हमने अपना प्रोग्राम रखा है. ऑनलाइन स्टूडेंट्स क्लासेस ले रहे हैं फॉर फर्स्ट ईयर एंड सेकेंड ईयर, थर्ड ईयर, फोर्थ ईयर, फिफ्थ ईयर हमारी क्लिनिकल एक्सपीरियंस ले रहा है. सो वी हैव अ पॉलिसी इन प्लेस जहाँ पे वी मेक श्योर कि हम प्रिकॉशनरी मेजर्स ले रहे हैं बिकॉज ऑफ द कोविड.
Okay, it was wonderful having you here. You have been very informative throughout this arrangement, and we will keep on contacting you because we want our students go to Aga Khan because it is a name, just like the city school.
Definitely, definitely. You can
It was
come to
great.
us anytime, you can come to us anytime. I know कि presentation के बाद, students and parents, they just forget कि हाँ क्या हुआ था, कुछ याद नहीं होता. It's just, you can understand the attention span, right?
Yes.
But we
Yes.
welcome students के वो हमें email करें, call करें. We are like, चुटकी में we are available anywhere, everywhere. So I don't think कि कोई ऐसे
So you've
issue
opened
होगा.
one more traffic, and that's city school. They'll be emailing you. Don't worry, we have your email now. Everybody has it
No
now.
worries. We will be answering them.
Thank you, Naveen. This is Nahi Zara, phase leader ONA levels here. For internship, we have been working with Mr. Peter Lobo since last year, and our students enthusiastically participated in your campaign, Gift a Bear. And it was a campaign, not only in Karachi, it went to Hyderabad, each and every school of ONA levels in Hyderabad. So Peter is a known name with us. Our students are very enthusiastic, in fact, to work with the AKU. Peter told me that internship is purely on the basis of merit, which we welcome and acknowledge. And our students are highly capable of meeting the the benchmark set by AKU. And along with that, they'll continue with all your campaign that you are going to launch or you are currently working on for the welfare of the patients. So thank you very much for being on board with us. We thoroughly enjoyed and learned a lot from you.
Thank you so much for having me here. Thank you.
We'll keep in contact, and if anyone has any more questions, you can drop it on the chat box. I'll report those to Naveen and she'll respond eventually. Thank you, Naveen. Allah Hafiz.
Allah Hafiz.